Hi everyone. So today, for this week, we're going to be covering on friction and gravity. Okay. So what is friction? So if you take both hands, you rub your hands together, they get warm. Okay. There is because of this rubbing motion. Okay. There is some sort of resistance. Okay. And why does your hand feel warm? Okay. So it's due to friction. Okay. So what causes friction? Okay, so your hands might look really smooth. Okay, it's not rough. Like it looks like maybe you put lotion every day and all. But when you put it under a microscope, okay, they actually have rough surfaces. It is actually not like straight, like smooth. So when you have rough surfaces, when you rub your hands together, when you put two rough surfaces together and you rub it on, okay, there will be a resistive force. There will be resistance between both the surface. Okay, resistance is a type of force. Resistance is a type of force where um, a situation where there are both surfaces are going against each other because both are rough surfaces. So when you rub them together, it causes friction. Okay, so that is friction. And then we look at gravity. Okay, so gravity is a theory. Okay, is a law. Gravity is a law. Okay, and Isaac Newton came up with the first mathematical theory to describe how gravity worked. Okay, and this was many years ago. So of course we know the famous story of the apple. He was sitting under a tree and an apple fell on his head. Okay, so from that he thought about it and he came up with some ideas. So any object with mass will attract other objects with mass. Okay, when we think of attraction, we always think of the magnet and magnetic forces, but this is not magnetic forces, but an object with mass will always attract another object with mass. Okay, they will feel a pulling force between the two objects, and this pulling force is due to gravity. Okay, so mass is the amount of matter an object is made from. We measure it in grams and kilograms. Okay, so gravity is a force, is a type of force that pulls us down to the surface of the earth. So the earth has mass and we have mass. So the earth is pulling us towards it. And this is due to gravity. So that is all for this week. I'll see you in class. Bye.